In this episode of 10 Best Ones, we are going to check out the top 5 cameras for YouTube in 2018. I made this list based on my personal opinion, and I tried to list them based on their price, quality, durability and more. If you want to see the price and find out more information about these cameras, you can check out the links down in the description and the comment section below. Okay, so, let's get started with the video. At number 5, we have the Panasonic LUMIX G7. The Panasonic G7 is a gorgeous 4K mirrorless camera that would be an ideal option for every YouTuber who is looking for a lightweight camera that can elevate its vlogging and creative capabilities to a whole new level. From a design perspective, the G7 features a sleek black body that packs dozens of controls that are strategically positioned along the entire body, so you can easily access them and shoot however you want. At the top of the back, there is a 2360K.0 LED live viewfinder that has a contrast ratio of 10,000 to 1, so you can see clearly even if you're positioned under a direct sunlight. Slightly below, there is the 3-inch touch display which has a resolution of 1040 dots, and what's interesting is that the display has a flip-out style that is great for video shooting and for taking selfies. Now, let's talk about the features. The LUMIX G7 will offer you plenty of 4K photo modes if you want to take photos, and they include a 4K burst with start and stop, and 4K pre-burst, which is incredibly helpful, since this mode initiates a 4K video sequence, a second before and after you press the shutter button. Moreover, if you're recording videos in 4K, then be sure that they will be defined incredibly well, so your YouTube content will be delightful. The LUMIX G7 employs an intelligent auto-focusing as well, which basically means that the camera will lock to a specific subject, so you wouldn't deal with blurry photos, and shoot twice. Another great thing about this camera is its 25,600 ISO rate that will help you achieve beautiful recordings in low light, so you shouldn't worry literally about anything. After you're done with your videos, then all you have to do is just download the Panasonic Image app, which is really intuitive and straightforward, and transfer all your photos and videos directly to the social media. Overall, I'd strongly recommend you consider this camera as your next purchase, because it offers a great value for its actual price. Moving on, at number 4 we have the GoPro HERO6. If you have a vlogging channel, then you simply can't miss the power of the GoPro HERO6, which is known for its tremendous remarkable video quality that will surely be your greatest companion during your journeys. From a design perspective, the HERO6 features an incredibly compact design that makes it easy to be mounted on various accessories such as drones, helmets, sticks and much more. In addition, the camera is water-resistant to up to 33 feet or 10 meters, so, if you're adventure fanatic, you can record your adventures while diving and surprise your audience with a wonderful content. There are only 2 physical buttons on the cameras, where each of them is placed on the right and on top. On the top, there is a record and shutter button, while on the right, there is a mode button that switches between several functions, including a still image, burst image, time-lapse image capture and a video. At the back, there is a little LCD screen that offers wide viewing angles and bright visual representation, which I personally consider as a big plus. At the front, there is yet another monochrome LCD that sits next to the lens. This screen plays a huge role to your overall user experience, due to the fact that it shows plenty of information such as the video resolution, your set mode, the frame rate, the battery status and other similar stuff. The connectivities include a micro SD card slot, a USB-C and micro HDMI ports on the left, so you will be fine. But now, let's talk about the performance. The HERO6 will let you record 4K footage with 60 FPS, 2.7K and 1080p videos with 120 FPS and 240 FPS respectively, but the camera itself supports many other formats as well. You can shoot a 4K with 30 FPS at an aspect ratio of 4:3, or you can shoot at 1440p, and 720p content with 50 and 60 FPS respectively, with an aspect ratio of 16:9, which is amazing. You can control the HERO6 with multiple ways, starting from your speech and up to the GoPro app, which will instantly send your footage to your smartphone. To conclude, the HERO6 is a must-have because it has everything that promises quality video recording. Next up, at number 3 we have the Sony POWERSHOT RX100V. The Sony POWERSHOT DSC-RX100 is a 20.1 megapixel digital still camera that is compact enough to be held in a pocket, so let's get quickly into action in order to find out why you, as a YouTuber, could benefit highly from having it. From a design perspective, the DSC-RX100 has a small, pocket-friendly construction that is finished in black metal and followed by the lens that pops up a bit from the body. At the top, there are 5 buttons such as the shutter release, the power button, mode dial, zoom rocket and the release catch for the pop-up flash. At the back, there is a flat control dial that has a button at the center and surrounded by a menu button, play, FN, delete controls and a movie record button that is easy to access. Slightly above the screen, there is the retractable OLED EFV optical viewfinder that has a contrast ratio of 2.35 million dots, which means that you can see everything clearly. Now, let's talk about the features. The camera's EVF is capable enough to let you have a continuous live shooting at up to 8 FPS, which means that even the fastest moving objects will be captured without any blur. Moreover, the RX100V is powered by a 20.1 megapixel 1-inch Exmor RS sensor, and has a hybrid autofocus system which guarantee quality videos and pictures. To be more precise, the hybrid system locks as fast as 0.05 seconds, which is unbelievably fast, and as I've stated earlier, you will never miss anything. The Exmor RS sensor on the other side has a DRAM chip that will improve the efficiency and the speed of the AD conversion, which translates in a blazing fast readout speed. Moving on, you can record 4K movies and slow-motion high-frame rate clips with 240, 480 or 960 FPS, which is indeed impressive. Overall, the Sony is worthy of considering, so give it a try and assure yourself of its potential. Next up, at number 2 we have the Canon EOS Rebel SL2. The Canon EOS Rebel SL2 is definitely a top choice for every YouTuber who is looking for a camera that can drastically enhance its content quality and make it look gorgeous in front of the audience. From a design perspective, the Rebel SL2 features an impressive build quality, starting from its deep grip that is adequate for people with large and small hands, and all the way up to its vari-angle LCD touchscreen that offers a crystal-clear sight for your ultimate user experience. At the top, there is the mode dial, which offers plenty of useful options of which you can take an advantage and adjust the camera according to your desires. Also at the top, there are dedicated controls for adjusting the ISO, the playback, live view and the exposure compensation. In addition, there are control buttons that surround the viewfinder, and a circular button that is surrounded by 2 more buttons on the right of the screen. Speaking of the connectivities, this camera has a built-in mic jack, a standard mini USB port, and what I love the most is the fact that the camera is Wi-Fi, NFC, and Bluetooth enabled, so you will be well equipped with everything. But now, let's talk about the performance. This model uses a 24.2 megapixel CMOS APS-C sensor and a DIGI C7 image processor, which is amazing, due to the fact that they will equip you with versatile shooting options. Or even better said, regardless if you're recording at dark or bright surroundings, the video quality will maintain its quality to the maximum. In addition, you can record 60p videos without any problem, since the dual-pixel CMOS autofocus will keep the focus right in price, so you shouldn't worry about anything. After you're done with your shooting sessions, then you can transfer all of your pictures and videos via the Canon Camera Connect app, and upload them directly to the social media. To conclude, the Canon EOS Rebel SL2 is a must-have, so if you ever decide to purchase it, the camera will ensure that you would never regret that decision. At number 1, we have the Canon POWERSHOT G7X Mark II. The Canon POWERSHOT G7X Mark II belongs to the premium category of the Canon, so by default, regardless if you're a YouTuber, or a person who wants to record and capture beautiful content, this camera would be of a huge help. From a design perspective, the Mark II sports a sleek black construction that packs 1-inch 20.1 megapixel CMOS sensor, a DIGI C7 image processor, 4.2x optical zoom lens, and a tilt-type LCD touchscreen, with the intention to maximize your content creation. Most of its physical buttons are strategically positioned on the right, so you can always access them and do plenty of adjustments without losing any time. At the back, you won't find a viewfinder, but you wouldn't really need it, since you will be using this camera strictly for YouTube content creation, so you won't really miss it unless you're a photographer. Instead of a viewfinder, there is the 3-inch LCD touch panel that offers tilt option of 180 degrees up and 45 degrees down, which is great in my opinion. In addition, the touchscreen has a resolution of 1.04 million dots, that makes it ideal for sharing it with your friends, when you want to take selfies or for ordinary picture previews. This camera is Wi-Fi and NFC enabled, which I particularly like due to the fact that you can upload your content directly to YouTube, Google Drive, Twitter without any fuss. Now, let's talk about the performance. The Canon will let you record 1080p Full HD videos at 60 fps in MP4 format, while on the other side, you can capture photos with a continuous rate of 8 fps, which means that both the videos and the picture will look pretty good. Moving on, the camera's native ISO rate is 12,800, but it can be expanded to up to 25,600, which is really cool since your videos and photos won't get any noise in low-lit surroundings. Before we end, I'd like to inform you that this camera employs an integrated RAW conversion, which means that you can adjust multiple aspects of the picture after your shooting sessions without using a computer, which is quite convenient. Overall, I strongly recommend you consider the Canon G7X Mark II as your next purchase, because it is affordable if you compare it with what you get in return. Thanks for watching, I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please remember to leave a like and subscribe to my channel to see more videos like this in the future, and if you have any questions related to these cameras, you can leave a comment down below and I will get back to you as soon as I can.